G'day folks, it's Richard Joe back, CRO expert, and today I want to talk about SRM, or Sample Mismatch, Sample Ratio Mismatches, or SRMs as they're called. And basically it comes down to knowing that your experiments are trustworthy, that the data is trustworthy, and that your sampling in both the control and variation are representative of the general population, or if you were to put the test into production live, that the sample for either control or variation reflect reality. Let's put it that way. And basically, with your testing tool, you're essentially flipping a coin to whether the user goes into the control bucket or the variation bucket. And you want to ensure that, in theory, this will work perfectly. You'll get equal amounts of people both going to the control and the variation. But, for some funny reason, I've seen this happen, you can get into a situation whereby there's a difference between the control and variation to a degree that you're not statistically confident that you've got equal groupings in both those buckets. And basically the SRM, it's a way to calculate whether the difference between the distribution of visitors in your A/B test is getting too big. And look, in reality, you're going to have a slight difference between the control and variation, but this alerts you to whether or not that is going to be an issue. So what I'll do is I'll flip the camera around, and in your spare time, just Google in Spero A/B testing calculator. It's SPEERO test calculator. So here we are on the A/B testing calculator, and I'll show you an actual example. Let's just say your test has been running for 20 days. It's still running. You've got 80,000 visitors in the control, 78,000 in the variation. You don't think that's an issue, but what this does is it automatically gives you an SRM alert. So this is something you've got to be aware of and look to